morning. I actually wanted to do my live stream usual today with Victor, but I have internet issues, so I just decided to start my walking tour of the city of Washington DC. Yes guys, this was not a planned thing altogether, so I wasn't able to advise everyone, but I'll definitely take you along in this trip. Okay, so let's start. Okay. Okay, how do you... Okay. Library of Congress. There you go. This is from Jefferson Library. So it's the U.S. Capitol. Okay, visitor center. So this part is dedicated to Charlene specifically. Because I forgot to bring my gimbal, so please pardon the swaying and the moving. Promise to do that tomorrow or later, because I will definitely go back to our Airbnb. Probably have rest and eat. Oh, look at those leaves. Yes, it's fall, so the leaves are turning yellow and they're everywhere. There. I know KM likes this season, so yan sis KM, ang dahing dahon. And look, oh, it's so pretty. Look at those colors. I can be blue, I can be yellow. Yes, right. There you go. Copyright claim for me. Okay, there are actually a lot of students now. I think it's a field trip of some sort. I'll be back here again tomorrow or Monday to go inside, so I've already booked myself a schedule for a trip inside. It's free actually, but you do need to sign up for it online. You can't just walk in for that tour. You need to sign up, and I'll try to do White House tour as well if I can. Again, everything here is unplanned. Everything seems to be, whatever I plan doesn't come into fruition, so I'll just go with the flow. So what was that? Somebody's performing. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's go for that. Which was that? Some school kids presentation of some sort. Capital. Some parts of are being repaired though, so trying to zoom in on it so we don't see the repairs. Okay, there you go. Magnificent looking, eh? Right. Lovely.
Stop it. I don't know.
I wish you guys were here with me. It would have been more fun with the crafters with me, right? So there, you see that? I'm gonna go there. I'm not sure if it's today or another day. But for now, let's just do a leisurely walk around here. The nice thing is that our place where I'm staying is quite near here, just a few minutes walk to here, so everything is very convenient. I just need to walk. So I told Susan this is gonna be the first time I'll probably have be able to do 20,000 steps a day or more. She said probably more. So let's see. I forgot to actually set it to sun. So there, the surprise is out. So Mommy Guide invades Washington DC for a few weeks. I'll try to, not sure about my schedule, just like everything else about this trip though. So be as surprised as I am of what's gonna happen and what's gonna take place. Okay. Look at this. What is this tree? I've never seen something. It's just some sort of a cypress tree. Could be. There you go. Alright guys, it's the Jefferson Library over there. And this is 2nd Street Northeast. And this is home for the next couple of weeks. So we are actually, Shirley, you're right. I am actually really at the back of the Supreme Court. That is home